Hi, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 2019 280 SLX Sea Ray. Right now I'm standing on our swim platform. Very large area to hang out when you're tied up at a sandbar or something. Kids hanging off the end, sitting down, lounging, as well as your sun pad back here. Great place to watch what's going on. Now as I come through the transom walkthrough, we have storage or a cooler underneath, as well as you have a fusion radio control, so you don't have to get up in the cockpit all the way up to the helm to change any stations or anything, or raise and lower the volume. We got your controls for your power tower, as well as your two battery switches. Make it real convenient. This is where you get on the boat, this is where your switches are. And I'll take you up into the cockpit in a second and show you all the seating. Alright, here we are in the cockpit of the 280 SLX. You got a lot of lounge seating, a lot of room for friends and family, as well as you got a table pedestal down here. You have a refrigerator underneath. You got a power tower, and there's speakers built into it, and a lot of shade from the top that's also on the tower. As well as underneath, you do have a 350 Mercruiser 6.2 liter in it, so it gives you plenty of power. And I'll take you up to the helm station and show you all the cool electronics we have on this boat as well. Alright, here at the helm station of our 280 SLX, we have twin Simrad displays. You got your chart platter up on this one, and then you have your vessel view up on this one. That's nice. So you got two large displays showing you information. Up here too, we also have our Fusion stereo. We got a lot of speakers on this boat and a subwoofer, so this stereo can really get cranking if you want it to. You got your Mercury engine controls. You got trim tabs and switches for all your accessories, bilge pumps, and etc. As well, up here at the helm station, the seat has a flip-up thigh bolster, and you could also sit two people here if you want. Now, looking over here on the port side, we also have a similar style seat, but this is for a single person. Still got the flip-up thigh bolster, and this one actually swivels around. As well, here on the port side, we have a little glove compartment that's lockable. And underneath here, we have a nice little head compartment with a sink and toilet in there for you. We'll go up to the bow and I'll show you the seating up there. Here at the bow, we have very comfortable seating. Tall guy, and I got a lot of space up here. We also have flip-down armrests, make it real comfortable. Some grab rails for safety, as well as two speakers up here, cup holders, a table mount. We have a bunch of storage under the seats, as well as some storage under the floor, and I'll show you some of that storage right now. This flips up, and then your backrest flips up. Very large storage. It actually goes on which is nice. And there's some sitting up here. Dry storage under here as well. And you have your anchor locker, which is up here. Again, guys, this has been Lars Pearson with Ship Bottom, New Jersey, MarineMax. This is our 2019 280 SLX. If you want to know about this boat right